Jai Gurudev, myself Risha. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all in the first online SLC in which we will be showcasing our learning through our presentation.
Gurudev, my name is Abhinav from class 2D. Today I am going to speak about a childhood incident of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It was Kalam's first day in school. He was nervous and excited. In a hurry, he stepped into a wrong class. His teacher scolded him. "Can't you find your right class?" Mr. Kalam felt ashamed and decided not to go to school from the next day. Mr. Kalam had a dream that he must make his parents happy. He thought about his parents and decided to work hard. With his constant effort and his hard work, he came first in his class. His dream of making parents happy came true. As we all know that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great scientist and the 11th President of India. Wow, what an inspiring incident. Even I have also decided to work hard, think positive and achieve my dreams. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Hello teachers, parents and children. My name is Sughosh. Today I am going to talk about predictions. What is predictions? The predictions means guessing what will happen next in the story. To make predictions, we have to follow the 3 steps. Step 1, look at the title picture. Step 2, while reading, stop. Guess what will happen next. Step 3. See if your prediction was right or not. Thank you.
Jai Gurudev, I am Ratri of class 2C. Today I am going to present about addition of 2-digit numbers. I am also going to present 2 concepts, that is addition with regrouping and addition without regrouping. Let's start with addition synonyms. Add, sum, in all, joins, total, combine, increase, together, all together. Let's here ones is represented by triangle and tens is represented by rectangle. Let's see the numbers. The numbers are 55 plus 32. So, I am arranging 5 ones and 5 tens. And here I am arranging 2 ones and 3 tens. And we learned that addition means combining. So I am combining these triangles first. And let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am sticking 7 in my answer box. And let's count the tens by combining them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm sticking 8 in my answer box. So 55 plus 32 gives us 87, which has 8 tens and 7 ones. Let's go to addition with regrouping. Here, as we all know, ones is represented by triangle, tens is represented by rectangle and hundreds is represented by square. Let's see the numbers first. The numbers are 98 plus 25. So I'm arranging 8 in the ones place and 9 in the tens place. And I'm arranging 5 in the ones place. And let's combine in the ones place first. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm sticking 13 in the answer box of ones. Here we have one problem, that only one digit can be added to ones place. So I'm taking off these 10 triangles and putting it to tens place. So the answer in my ones answer box will become 3. Here, since tens is represented by rectangle, instead of these 10 triangles, I'm putting one strip of rectangle which represents tens. And let's count the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm sticking 12 in my answer box. Here we have another problem. That is, here also only one digit can be added. So leaving these two, I'm taking these 10 rectangle strips and keeping it to hundreds place. So the answer box in my tens place will be 2. Since hundreds is represented by a square, instead of these 10 rectangles, I'm putting one square which represents hundreds. And we also learned that 10 tens make hundreds. So I'm sticking 1 in my answer box of hundreds. So 98 plus 25 gives us 123, which has 100, 2 tens and 3 ones. Thank you.
Namaste. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to explain the concept of NADOS. We use NADOS for solving many word problems. The first letter in NADOS are N. Now N represents number and key. A represents or just asking the question. D represents brought to understand. O represents operation to use. S represents solve the problem. Now, Pooja bought 36 apples and 22 bananas. How many fruits did she buy altogether? So, numbers are in this word problem is 36 apples and 22 bananas. What are keywords? Keywords are, these all are the addition keywords. Join, all together, total, sum, together, every comma. So, the keyword in this word problem is all together. Now, they have asked what to do. Now, how many fruits did she buy altogether? Now, draw to understand. 6 apples and 22 bananas. We need to find the total fruits here. Now, operation. Altogether means to add. S, solve the problem. Now, what is 6 plus 2? Equal to 8. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Pooja bought 58 fruits altogether. Thank you.
जय गुरुदेव। मेरा नाम अभिरा, मैं कक्षा दूसरी का छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सबको एक कहानी सुनाने वाला हूँ। उस कहानी का नाम है सूरज और हवा की। एक समय की बात है, सूरज और हवा की एक बहस हुई थी कि उन दोनों में से कौन ज्यादा ताकतवर है। तो हवा बोली कि मैं सबसे ज्यादा ताकतवर हूँ, मुझे कोई नहीं हरा सकता। तो सूरज बोला कि मैं हर एक में कुछ कमजोरियां और कुछ शक्तियां होती है। हवा बोली कि क्या तुम मुझसे ज्यादा ताकतवर हो, क्या तुम मुझे हरा सकते हो। तो सूरज बोला कि वो जो धरती पे वो आदमी चल रहा है उसका कोट उतार के दिखाओ। तो हवा बोले कि ये तो मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है। तो हवा बहुत तेजी से चलने लगी, सारे पेड़ पौधे हिलने लगे, उस आदमी को ठंड लगने लगी। उसने अपना कोट नहीं निकाला, बेचारी हवा, उसने हार मान ली। उसने सूरज की बारी आई, सूरज बहुत तेजी से चमकने लगा, उस आदमी को गर्मियां पसीना आने लगा। उसने अपना कोट निकाल दिया, सूरज की जीत हुई। तो इस कहानी से हमें ये पता चला कि हमें दूसरों पे कमजोरियों पे कभी हंसना नहीं चाहिए और अपनी शक्तियों पे कभी घमंड नहीं देना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
My name is Manas Krishna from 2B. My SLC topic 1 is, can we completely avoid processed food? I want to tell you about fresh food and processed food. Fresh food comes from farmers directly. Example, fruits and vegetables. Processed foods comes from farmers to factories where they are processed and they pack and they send it to markets and we eat and we purchase and eat. Example, juices, canned food. We cannot completely avoid processed foods because sometimes we take in our regular meals. When we go on a long trip, even it is taken by soldiers and astronauts. Example, canned food, dairy products. Fresh food has a shorter life period. Even it get rotted very far easily, like this. Processed food has a longer life period because they add sugars, salts and chemicals. Advantage of the processed food is the storage time and it is available in all seasons. But we should not take them regularly because they add sugar, salt, fats. Because if we eat them regularly, we gain weight, even we can all anytime sick. That's why we should not take them regularly. We should take fresh food regularly because they contain a lot of nutrients and fiber. Thank you.
Jai Gurudev. Hi friends, I am Omkara Mohan. My presentation is all about pronouns. What is a pronoun? When do we use them? A pronoun is replaced in place of a noun. So to make you understand about different pronouns, I have made a chart for you. Here you can see Tomcat and his friend Ginger and Angela and the balloon for which they fight. The different pronouns are I, you, we, he, she, it and they.
My name is Shrisha Jalinder Dhamale. The topic is making number pairs to 100. Here I have number scissor of 10 and 100. I wrote 100 in the middle and different shapes here. Suppose in circle I wrote 30. So 30's partner is what to make 100? 70. So 30 plus 70 is equal to 100. Like that I did 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. 40 plus 60 is equal to 100. Then 100 plus 0 is equal to 100. Like that I did a number seesaw of 10. Suppose 3 plus 7 is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 10. Here let's take an example of 24 plus what is 100? Let's find the solution. The tens number is 2 and the ones number is 4. So 4 plus what is 10? Let's take in a number seesaw. Here 4's partner is 6. So we should write 6 here and circle it. Now 24 plus 6 is equal to what? Let's count. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we should write 30 here. Now in 30, how much we should add to make 100? Let's take in a number seesaw. In the number seesaw, 30's partner is 70. So we should write 70 here and circle it. The earlier number which we circled was 6. So 70 plus 6 is equal to 76. So our answer is 76. Hope you all understood. Thank you.
मेरा नाम है रुचि ओलेकी। मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं आज तुम सबको अकबर बीरबल की कहानी सुनाऊंगा। एक दिन बादशाह अकबर ने अपने मंत्रियों के सामने एक अजीब सी पहेली प्रस्तुत की। एक रेखा खींची गई और बादशाह ने पूछा, क्या आप में से एक इस रेखा को बिना हाथ लगाए छोटा कर सकते हैं? मंत्री आपस में बात करने लगे कि इस रेखा को बिना हाथ लगाए कैसे छोटा कर सकते हैं। आज बादशाह को क्या हो गया है? उसी वक्त बीरबल वहां आते हैं और कहते हैं, जबाना मैं यह कर सकता हूँ। बादशाह कहते हैं, ठीक है बीरबल, अब इस रेखा को छोटा करके दिखाओ। बादशाह की खींची गई रेखा की समीप बीरबल उससे भी बड़ी एक रेखा खींच देते हैं और कहते हैं, देखा जबाना, अब आपकी रेखा छोटी हो गई है। बादशाह यह देखकर बहुत खुश होते हैं और कहते हैं, बहुत अच्छा बीरबल, आपकी बुद्धिमत्ता पर हमें नाज है। धन्यवाद।
मेरा नाम परिणीति गुप्ता है। हम सभी अपने दैनिक जीवन में भिन्न प्रकार की सब्जियों का उपयोग करते हैं। सब्जियां हमारे भोजन का एक महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा होता है। सब्जियां का सेवन करना हमारे स्वास्थ्य के लिए लाभदायक होता है। सब्जियां खाने से हमें बहुत फायदा भी होता है। सब्जियां में विटामिन, प्रोटीन और मिनरल भी होता है। प्रणाम। धन्यवाद।
ಜೈ ಗುರುದೇವ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅನಿಕಾ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಆಮೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹಕ್ಕಿಯ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಪದ್ಯದ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಮೆಯೊಂದು ಕೆರೆಯ ದಡದೆ ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಡಿತು. ಹಕ್ಕಿಯಂತೆ ಹಾರಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಬಯಸಿತು. ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಂಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಸೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿತು. ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ಆಮೆ ಕೇಳಲೊಪ್ಪಿತು. ಅತ್ತ ಇತ್ತ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಎರಡು ಬಡಿಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದವು. ಆಮೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೋತು ಬೇಗ ಹಾರಿ ಹೋದವು.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಮನ್ವಿ. ನಾನು 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಎ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಈ ದಿನ 5 ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾಮಂದಿರ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಮಂದಿರ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಪಾಠ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಕೊರೋನಾದಿಂದ ಮನೆಯೇ ವಿದ್ಯಾಮಂದಿರ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮರವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಯಬಾರದು. ಮರವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಉಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ಮಗು ಇದ್ದಂತೆ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಗಿಡ ನೆಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಹ ಕಾಡಿನ ರಾಜ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ. ನವಿಲು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪಕ್ಷಿ. ಇದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಪಕ್ಷಿ. ಇದರ ನೃತ್ಯ ನೋಡಲು ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಸೇಬು ಸೇಬು ತಿನ್ನಲು ರುಚಿಕರ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೇಬು ತಿಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಯಿಲೆಯಿಂದ ದೂರ. ಜೈ ಗುರುದೇವ್.
And legs are the main external organs. We have many organs inside our body. We cannot touch and see them. They are internal organs. Brain, heart, lungs, and stomach are the main internal organs. We have many organs and functions. First one is brain. The brain controls our body. It helps us think and learn. It helps us remember things. It helps us dream. It helps us run, write, and dance. Next one is heart. The heart pumps blood. It sends blood to all parts of the body. Next one is lungs. We take air through our we breathe air through our nose. It reaches our lungs. We take in oxygen and give it to our body. We take out carbon dioxide from our body. Here, when we breathe in, our lungs become big like a balloon. When we breathe out, our lungs become small. Next one is stomach.
Good morning, dear parents and friends. Myself Yashasvi Prakash Umagol. Hope you all had a good time watching our presentation. Thank you so much for being a part of this SLC and encouraging us throughout the program. We look forward to come back with some more next time. Thank you once again. Jai Gurudev.